How to kill weeds in Floratam grass. Floratam is a cultivar of St. Augustine grass. Floratam lawns feature dense, coarse, green blades in ideal circumstances, but the grass has its share of disadvantages when circumstances are less than ideal. Floratam grass suffers in cold and dry conditions, is susceptible to diseases and has a long dormant period over the winter. When the lawn weakens from the various problems and patches of the grass thin out or die, weeds can quickly move in to fill the gap, which exacerbates existing problems. Homeowners can kill weeds in Floratam grass both before and after the weeds begin to sprout. Things you'll need: herbicide labeled for use with St. Augustine grass. Hand sprayer. Mix herbicide labeled for use on St. Augustine grass in a hand sprayer. Spray the herbicide when you first notice the weeds. Follow the mixing directions on the label to mix the herbicide. Spray the herbicide when the weeds are still young and when no rain is forecast for 2 or 3 days. Apply herbicide again in the early spring, just before any new weeds begin to grow. Spray the grass with the same concentration used before. Apply this pre-emergence spraying when it is supposed to rain in the next week, to help work the chemical into the soil. Water the grass if it does not rain. Fertilize the grass twice per year, in early spring and early fall, with a 16-4-8 slow-release nitrogen fertilizer to keep the grass healthy and minimize the chance of weeds returning. Water the grass when it begins to wilt and mow the lawn regularly to a height of 3.5 to 4 inches. Remove by hand any small patches of weeds that return.